Welcome to CARZ TRENDS, where we explore the pinnacle of automotive luxury. Today, we're examining the 2026 Mercedes S-Class, the flagship sedan that continues to define what a luxury car should be. This isn't just another premium vehicle, it's a technological masterpiece that sets benchmarks for the entire industry. The 2026 S-Class receives subtle but impactful updates to its elegant design. The signature chrome grille grows slightly wider, now featuring illuminated horizontal bars that create a distinctive light signature at night. New 21-inch multi-spoke wheels fill out the wheel arches perfectly, while the aerodynamic profile maintains a class-leading 0.23 drag coefficient, better than the BMW 7 Series. The available two-tone paint options require over 60 hours of hand application at Mercedes' specialty workshop. Step inside to experience Mercedes' latest interpretation of luxury. The MBUX Hyperscreen now spans nearly the entire dashboard with OLED displays that offer haptic feedback. Executive rear seats provide 43.8 inches of legroom, more than a private jet, with heating, cooling, and 10 different massage programs. The latest Burmester 4D sound system features 36 speakers, including exciters in the seats that let you feel the music. Sustainable materials include Napa leather tanned using olive leaf extracts and trim crafted from recycled aluminum. Power options include the S580 with a 496 horsepower twin-turbo V8 mild hybrid, the S680 Maybach with a 603 horsepower twin-turbo V12. Both utilize Mercedes' magic body control suspension that scans the road ahead and adjusts damping in milliseconds. 2026 Mercedes S-Class starts at $118,000. It competes directly with the BMW 7 Series and Audi A8. Industry analysts note strong demand with wait times extending to 6 months in some markets. With its perfect blend of cutting-edge technology and uncompromising comfort, the S-Class remains the benchmark for luxury sedans. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe to CARZ TRENDS for more premium car coverage. Tell us in the comments, does the S-Class still lead the luxury segment?
BMW M3, the ultimate sports sedan that blends track-ready aggression with everyday practicality. This isn't just another fast BMW. It's a 543 horsepower masterpiece that dominates both road and circuit. The 2026 M3 features an even more aggressive design with wider fenders to accommodate massive 20-inch forged wheels. The iconic kidney grille gets laser-etched detailing, while carbon fiber roof, mirror caps, and rear diffuser come standard. BMW's engineers achieved a 0.29 drag coefficient, impressive for such a muscular design, through extensive wind tunnel testing. The quad exhaust tips feature adjustable valves that can go from subdued to race-ready instantly. Inside, drivers are greeted by BMW's latest M-specific cockpit. The curved 12.3-inch digital cluster and 14.9-inch touchscreen run the new iDrive 9 system with M-specific displays showing everything from turbo boost pressure to lap times. M carbon bucket seats offer 18-way adjustability with heating, cooling, and memory functions. Rear passengers get 35.6 inches of legroom, more than in the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio, proving this beast can handle family duty. Power comes from BMW's enhanced 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six, producing 543 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, up 23 horsepower from 2025. The standard 6-speed manual, a dying breed, or optional 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission sends power to either rear wheels or all four via the MX drive system. BMW claims 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds, just 0.1 seconds behind the M4 CSL. The adaptive M suspension now features predictive damping that reads road surfaces ahead via GPS data. 2026 BMW M3 starts at $78,000. It competes directly with the Mercedes-AMG C63S and Audi RS5. BMW reports the manual transmission option is chosen by nearly 30% of buyers. With its perfect blend of raw performance and daily usability, the M3 continues to set the standard for sports sedans. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and subscribe to CARZ Trends for more performance car coverage. Tell us in the comments, would you choose the manual or automatic transmission? Looking at the 2026 Mercedes C-Class, the compact luxury sedan that continues to set standards for technology and refinement. This isn't just an entry-level Mercedes, it's packed with innovations that trickle down from the S-Class. The 2026 C-Class features subtle but impactful styling updates. The signature grille grows slightly wider, flanked by new HD digital light headlamps that can project navigation arrows onto the road. Standard 18-inch wheels, 19's optional, fill out the wheel wells perfectly, while the coupe-like roofline maintains a sleek 0.26 drag coefficient, better than the BMW 3 Series. New color options include a stunning selenite gray Magno matte finish. Inside, the C-Class impresses with its latest MBUX infotainment system, displayed on an 11.9-inch portrait touchscreen and 12.3-inch digital cluster. The standard Artico leather seats feature 10-way power adjustment with memory, while available multi-contour seats add heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Rear passengers enjoy 36.1 inches of legroom, more than the Audi A4, making this a proper four-seater. The ambient lighting now offers 64 colors with new dynamic themes. Under the hood, Mercedes offers two refined powertrains. The C300 with a 255 horsepower, 2.0-liter, turbo, 4 mild hybrid. The C400 with a 362 horsepower, 3.0-liter, turbo 6 mild hybrid. Both pair with a 9-speed automatic transmission and can be optioned with 4 MATIC all-wheel drive. 2026 Mercedes C-Class starts at $48,000. It competes directly with the BMW 3 Series and Audi A5 Sportback. Mercedes reports strong demand for the new Pinnacle trim package. With its perfect blend of technology, comfort, and driving dynamics, the C-Class remains one of the smartest choices in the compact luxury segment. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe to CARZ Trends for more luxury car coverage. Let us know in the comments, would you choose this over an electric EQ model? The 2026 Lexus ES, the executive sedan that delivers premium comfort without the premium price tag. This isn't just a fancy Camry. It's a refined, tech-packed cruiser that makes every drive feel special. The 2026 ES features Lexus's signature spindle grille with a new mesh pattern that automatically adjusts for cooling needs. Slim, triple LED headlights and available 19-inch alloy wheels give it upscale presence, while the coupe-like roofline maintains a 0.27 drag coefficient, better than the Audi A6. New for 2026 is an optional two-tone paint scheme that highlights the ES's elegant proportions. The rear features full-width LED lighting that's 20% brighter than before, according to Lexus engineers. Inside, the ES showcases Lexus's renowned attention to detail. The standard 12.3-inch touchscreen now features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while available, Mark Levinson audio delivers concert hall quality sound. Heated and ventilated front seats come standard on most trims, with available semi-aniline leather that's softer than most competitors' offerings. Rear passengers enjoy 39.2 inches of legroom, more than the BMW 5 Series, with available power rear sunshades for added privacy. The cabin uses premium noise insulation materials that make it 15% quieter than the previous model. Power comes from your choice of a 302 horsepower, 3.5-liter, V6, a 215 horsepower hybrid system that achieves 44 miles per gallon combined. Both pair with smooth shifting automatic transmissions and front-wheel drive. AWD available on V6 models. The hybrid's nickel metal hydride battery has been relocated to improve trunk space, now offering 16.7 cubic feet, more practical than many luxury sedans. 2026 Lexus ES starts at $44,000. It competes with the Acura TLX and Genesis G80. Lexus reports the hybrid model now accounts for 45% of sales. With its unbeatable combination of reliability, comfort, and value, the ES remains one of the smartest choices in the near luxury segment. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and subscribe to CARZ Trends for more premium car coverage. Tell us in the comments, would you choose this over a German luxury sedan? 2026 Honda Accord, the mid-size sedan that continues to set benchmarks for value, efficiency, and driving enjoyment. This isn't just another family car. It's proof that sedans still matter in an SUV-dominated world. The 2026 Accord features a refreshed design that enhances its already sleek profile. The front end gets slimmer. LED matrix headlights and a wider grille opening that improves cooling airflow. New 19-inch wheel designs and available two-tone paint options give the Accord more upscale presence. Honda's engineers achieved an impressive 0.27 drag coefficient, better than the Toyota Camry, through wind tunnel optimization. The rear features full-width LED taillights and subtle chrome accents that elevate its premium appearance. Inside, the Accord's cabin showcases Honda's mastery of practical luxury. The standard 12.3-inch touchscreen now features wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay across all trims. Available leather-trimmed seats with 12-way power adjustment and heating ventilation compete with luxury brands. Rear passengers enjoy best-in-class 40.4 inches of legroom, more than many full-size sedans, with available heated outboard seats. Thoughtful touches include multiple USB-C ports and a massive 16.7 cubic foot trunk. The 2026 Accord continues with its proven hybrid powertrain. A 2.0-liter four-cylinder with electric motors, producing 204 horsepower, while achieving 48 miles per gallon combined in EPA testing. The refined eCVT transmission now includes simulated gear shifts for more engaging driving. Available all-wheel drive makes the Accord a compelling choice for all climates. 2026 Honda Accord starts at $31,500. It competes directly with the Toyota Camry and Hyundai Sonata. Honda expects hybrid models to account for over 60% of sales, reflecting growing consumer preference for electrification. With its unbeatable combination of space, efficiency, and value, the Accord remains one of the smartest choices in the mid-size segment. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe to CARZ Trends for more practical car buying advice. Let us know in the comments, would you choose the Accord over an SUV?